Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated, Bluetooth is on, and you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, pull the white plastic tab from the Airtag to activate its battery. Bring it close to your phone and tap Connect when the prompt appears. This pairs the device to your Apple ID and registers it in Find My, which is necessary so the network can securely report location. Make sure to name the Airtag so you recognize it later. Now you configure and physically place the Airtag. Open Find My, select the Airtag, then assign a name and emoji so you can identify it quickly. This helps when multiple items exist. If you have a U1-chip iPhone, enable precision finding to get directional arrows and distance, which speeds recovery. Next, attach the Airtag to your item. Use a key ring, luggage tag, or tuck it inside a pocket, so it stays secure without altering how the item is used. To retrieve a lost item, open Find My and choose Play Sound for nearby searches or directions for map guidance. Once close, use precision finding when available. If someone else needs access, use family sharing so they can see item location. If tracking fails, make sure the Airtag battery is seated and not depleted, confirm Bluetooth and location services are on, and that your phone has network access. If issues persist, remove and re-add the Airtag.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.